Good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to the Alumni Talk series of Civil Engineering Department. So now I would like to introduce Mr. Samir. He is graduated in the year 2017 from CMR Technical Campus, and at present he is working as SAP consultant, SAP consultant at Infosys. So now I hand over the session to Mr. Samir. Over to you, Samir. You can start now.
Yeah, a very good afternoon to one and all present over the virtual session. Let me introduce to myself. I'm Mohammad Abdul Samir. I have been graduated in the year 2017 from CMR Technical Campus from Civil Department. And after that, I have joined in TCS as a software engineer. For 2.5 years, I've worked there. And after that, I got the opportunity to work in Infosys. Currently, I'm working as an SAP consultant in Infosys Pune. So in this session, I'll be explaining about my journey with CMR Technical Campus, what are all the achievements and we have achieved as a team, as an individual. And firstly, I want to say I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to be part of this alumni talks, and I congratulate all the faculty and management of CMRTC for getting as an autonomous campus now. So CMRTC is emerging as the fastest engineering college in Telangana. You can see in the news whenever I hear about the college, it makes me very happy and proud to have graduated from that college. And firstly, I got seat in the first counseling. I got seat at CMRIT, but I don't know how in the second counseling I got CMRTC campus because I heard that the civil faculty over here is very best. They are experienced faculty. As you can see, like we are having our young and dynamic VB Reddy sir. He's strict, but he's very professional way in the way he teaches. That makes us, we feel he is very strict, but at the same time, he helped us in all the way he can. And coming to all the faculty of H&S department, like we are having Nagaraj sir and Radha ma'am. I remember few of the names. They are very supportive. And I remember M1 sir name. His name is Nagaraj Radha sir. And, he is a very good motivator whenever he comes to class. Out of 60 minutes, trust me, out of 60 minutes, 40 minutes he used to motivate us. No matter how much the time takes, 40 minutes he used to motivate us. With his speeches, we used to get motivated and he used to assign the work on the daily basis. We used to complete it and clearly and hopefully we have completed our first year. And after getting into the final year, we have got a good project like Sir has given the opportunity for us to do our final year project. You can see that Mitchell flyover. We have doing the final year project there. As our final year project was on flexible payment. Yes, it is on flexible pay planning of 4-lane flexible payment. We got marked hopefully, and the management also gives the opportunity to present what are the you have to help you, and they are encouraging the student every annual day. They are giving mementos, prizes, everything, and I believe I also got 3 times cash of 2,000 rupees, and as a silver medalist for my academics, but unfortunately I haven't attended the what we call that convocation day. So basically, my suggestion to all the juniors, see, when we are in the final year, like when even I was in final year, like in third or fourth year, I was very confused where to go because there was no proper guidance for me at that time. Like we are everywhere we are confused where to go, how to get a job. So actually, I had the desire to work in a software company. I don't, willingly, I have not taken civil engineering. I have been taken civil engineering with force of my friends. But I always had desire to work in a software company. So I took it seriously and I learned the cutting edge technologies and landed in that such type of software companies, with the help of my family, my education. Remember, guys, your marks will be temporary, but your education will be permanent. Wherever you go, get the grip of the subject. I can say that there are a lot of opportunities after BTech, but provided that you should have the knowledge, you should learn what technologies I should be updated so that I can get a job in that type of in which company or what is the company expecting from you. So definitely it will help you if you can give 100% best. In the same way, my suggestion to all the juniors is please take care of your studies at the same time. Always try to help others. Don't be self-sufficient. Always be, help others. What you give, you get in return. In the same way, in the form, any kind of it, you take it as an example. And the second thing is I'm thinking about the job struggle. See, job struggle is nothing. Once you get into the, you get the opportunity, you can get like we used to take Madhav sir very lightly. That I did not get a placement through college, but I'm happy. See, if I was taken, if I'm supposed to, if I was sitting in the placement, definitely I would get placed. But whenever Madhav sir used to come for us for giving the opportunity, he used to ran behind us, go for the placement. There are no one in civil department, all other departments. But we used to simply ask, he used to run behind, he used to blur. But I remember I given only two interviews. One is at Tech Indra and other one is at Apna. Because at that time it is like we don't have that much options. Why we go to a company when we have studied civil engineering? It was mindset was like that. But after coming out of the BTech, money is same. That is not from if you earn as a BPO also you get another money. If you work in a software company, you will get money. As a civil engineer, you will get money. But that satisfaction is there from inside. So, uh, in the same way, I got the job at TCS. Actually, and I was getting a job in L&T as well. I was having a final discussion with that manager. I said, I am trying in SAP. He said, okay, fine. If you try in SAP, that is also good. He was like a mentor for me. He also guided me. We are having many opportunities. He is also that senior project manager was working as a SAP project manager. He was working at L&T as a procurement department. So he explained me, if you learn SAP also, you will have opportunities in L&T. So I said, okay, sir, give me 3 months of time. I will take this as an opportunity and I'll put myself to get into this type of company. So I have given that, but after completing of my course, I found that I hear from him that the opportunity is not there now. So I was very depressed, but after that I got an opportunity to attend the TCS off-campus drive and I've attended that. Hopefully I have completed 2.5 years and in the month of December I have joined Infosys at Pune and have completed 6 months successfully there and I'm willing to do more for my course. And suggestion to all the juniors is you're having many opportunities after the BTech. Like you can go to management side, you can appear for GATE examinations. If those who are interested to do their masters, you can go for Western countries. Okay, like we are having the opportunities. You can write like IELTS, GRE, TOEFL. These are all the entrance examinations which will help you for getting into MS. And those who want to work in the government sector, you can apply for UPSC exams, SSC, State Staff Selection Committee, UPSC, GATE, and many of them. And I suggest if you go to management, like there is MBA. I mean, MBA is the highest of management jobs. And this is the things that with any question. Hello.
Yeah, audible. Okay, you can continue. Ramesh, continue.
Yeah. So I remember we are the first in the CMR department, CMR is civil department to get first prize in the model presentation. Like on the engineers day, we got first prize for preparing. We remember we have made Burj Khalifa of that thermocol sample, and for that we got first prize. And we have attended many sessions like we are having CMRTC Civil Engineering Association. It is very good for all the BTech third year and final year students. You take any topic, you prepare a PPT, you want to make any paper presentation, you are always welcome for that. You explain the topic for 15 to 20 minutes and you can, if someone asks you a question, you always with that you can improve your communication skills, and uh, and even the labs, we are having very good labs. We are having a very good campus in CMR. With that, you can make the most use of it. We we are having a. I hope you have learned about Mokshaguna Vishweshwaraya. He was the father of civil engineers. I remember his one word in the book I have read when the BTech, he said, remember your work might be to clean the railway sleeper. He said, remember your work might be to clean the railway sleeper, but make sure clean in such a way that no other lane in the world is as clean as yours. So be as like our Raji Reddy sir, he used to say us, behave like a professional. You are a professional, you are an engineering. So in the same way, behave like that. Respect your faculty, respect your family, eat healthy food, stay home, and make the most use of this, lockdown. I hope everyone are, faculty is taking the online classes. Is it? Yeah. So in this way, we can make the most use of it. Sorry if I have missed someone's name. And the way Vijay Bhaskar Reddy sir, the way he used to teach us classes, like holding 3 to 4 chalks in his hand, and I like the way he teaches in a very good manner. And for every class, he used to record videos also. Whenever if you have any doubt, you can just go to him, ask for the videos, whatever today he has explained that way. And Soumya ma'am, I remember her name. She used to teach us of all subjects. He was also a very good supporter for us. The way Sandeep sir, Meena ma'am, Ravinder sir, Jagdish sir. I remember when I called to Jagdish sir, when I got selected at TCS, I called him regarding the BGV, background verification. I told him, sir, this is Samir. Actually, I want to let you know that I got selected in TCS. So he said, why you joined? You joined an IT company. He said, yes. I said, yes, sir. Okay, very good, very good. He said to send me the offer letter and all. I said, sir, okay, not an issue. Let it be, sir. Let's keep this personal. But on this last week, I got a call from Madhav, sir, and he has invited me for this session. I'm happy to attend this session on. And hello.
Yeah, you can continue, sir.
Yeah, just a minute. I'm getting it. Sorry for that. Actually, I got a call from company at 3:30 a.m. I'm having one more teammate. And anything, if anyone is willing to ask me any questions, please ask me. Hopefully, I will try to answer their questions. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Samir. It is audible, okay? You can continue if you want to talk anything.
Actually, my suggestion to all the students, they are all first year students, third year students, second year students. Hello, Master.
Yeah, yeah, second, third, and fourth year students, sir.
Yeah, my suggestion to them is to see, you always, if you want to go in civil also, it is good. If you want to go IT also good, but end of the day, money matters and satisfaction matters. Whatever you want to do, make sure it makes you happy. And if you want to go, there are many software like jobs in civil also. Like you can go for ETAPS, CATIA, and this. And you want to become a civil architect, you can go in project management field also, where you get to know all the uh, things. So first of all, how to approach the companies? I'll say, start hunting the jobs when you are in final year only. Like you go to any company and ask them for internships and all, and you will get good things in return. See, actually, I went. Sir has given the opportunity for us to. Uh, but he said you cannot go outside of the campus for doing the final year project. No one has gone till now, but we have requested him. So we got a company at GVR Infrastructures. We have done our final year project, and that is of planning of 4-lane highway flexible payment. And sir was shocked. We had made a very big material, and uh, during the external Viva, we have made a very big material. Out of the total class, we are the only batch, we have made around 200 pages of material. He was shouting at the time, but hopefully we got good marks at the external time also. And at the external Viva, the external, those who came from JNTU, he asked me, what is the name of your project, final year project? I said, planning of 4-lane highway flexible payment. So he asked me basic definition, what is a pavement? I was very afraid. I was very much, what is he asking me was that, what has told me is this and that. So that way, then after I have given him the proper answers, and he said, okay, you can go. And he got the good marks for that also. And see what are the companies for civil, like we are having GVR Infrastructures, Gaura Ventures, L&T, GMR. These are all the companies like Aparna Infrastructures. In these companies, in the beginning you will have very low salary, but once you jump to, but always remember guys, never stick to any company for more than 2 years. Once you cross 2 years, you jump to another company, then another company. With this, what happens, at the same time, you will have the company environment, a lot of people you meet. You may first, you want to become a successful civil engineer, you first have to improve your contacts. Okay. It is not like I don't want to work as a civil engineer. I choose an IT because I want to earn money handsomely. Like I have seen, I have stood there in the sun for morning to evening when I was finally project when I was doing, all the from up to down, and it's very during the summer time. This is the thing. And I'm talking about the experience. In this way, guys, first, if you want to do recently in the year 2018 also, I have done one QA/QC certified civil engineer, and I got that is an international certification. I have done that QA/QC certified. So if you want to be rest, I mean, if you want to be different from the rest, if you want your resume to get highlighted, I suggest you take any certification courses, and like we are having now, everything is, you know is on the internet. You just Google it, you search it, you will get 10 answers. If you type any question, you will get 10 answers in return. You make a good profile in LinkedIn, you share with your contacts, they will only approach you. They will get they will only, once they get any notification, they will only approach you for your internships and all. So you make the most use of the technology. The technology is a human psychology. Humans have invented the technology, but the thing is we should use it in a proper way. Definitely you land successful somewhere. I believe all class and politicians, wherever they are on the planet, are doing great. And I hope the same from you in this pandemic situation. And I also suggest you take care of yourself, your family, eat good food. If you have any questions, guys, you can put it on the chat and you can directly ask me, you can unmute ask me. And see, to make a resume, you can always message, you can ping me, I will help you in getting a good resume also. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it from my end. And if you can answer, if you can question, I can be able to answer. Be happy to answer your questions.
Any questions from the students? Hello, Bhaskar?
Yeah, sir.
Questions ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయో అడగమని చెప్పు.
Okay. Students, if you have any questions, okay. So you can ask to Samir.
Okay. Anyway,
Final year projects have started, sir.
almost finished. Viva also over.
Okay.
Final year total semester course is completed. All are passed. I mean, unofficially, the government, JNT were declared.
Oh yeah. But our campus
Projects,
has become
they did
autonomous.
projects in the lab, everything. 25%
Okay.
is pending. Finally, they did. When compared to your batch, they did 75%. That's all.
Okay.
They did like
Great,
that.
sir.
Remaining all every same. So going on, projects are going on in the. So now last two batches they did very well outside. Transport
Okay.
TE projects and transportation highway engineering projects. They did very well. Not only concrete technology, our department is doing almost all type of even in water resource engineering also. So that is the lack in last 2 years. Do you know?
Yeah.
So some projects they did in water resource engineering also. So that is the only pending last 8 years. Last year we have completed that. So almost the department is blended like all with all branches, all specializations.
Great.
Okay. So today you are where are you staying now? In
Actually, I'm in Hyderabad only, sir. I'm at
Hyderabad
my
only.
home.
Nature
Yeah.
of work is here only. Job.
Yeah, work from home. The work from home. Since 3 months, I've been doing that only.
Okay. సార్ శ్రీనివాసరావు సార్ ఏదైనా మాట్లాడతారా శ్రీనివాసరావు సార్ ఓకే
సార్
ఏదైనా మీరు మాట్లాడతారా
ఏం లేదు సార్ అంటే ఐఎమ్ రిక్వెస్టింగ్ మిస్టర్ సమీర్ very thankful to you for your suggestions to the students, but please kindly share your views on how the civil engineering students should think. Say nowadays everybody is looking for the two parts. One is the core sector, second one is the software sectors. So how best they can take the both of out of one? What is the actual considerations towards the core or jumping into the softwares? How you feel about the present situation? So let us share with the events at you.
Yeah, I am aware that in this pandemic, everyone are going. I mean, they are doing work from home, and I'm not dominating. Civil engineering is not good. You will not get salaries. But the current situation is, guys, if you are working in a company, also any company is not paying you salary. Company is paying you salary. So think of the future. Like end of the day, money matters. Whether you earn from civil or IT. Basically, when I was in third year, even I was confused. I was my uncle, he used to stay in UAE, so I used to call him daily. Ki, what about the construction sector in UAE? Because the thing why mainly people choose civil engineering, because they don't want to earn money in India. Even you see there are very less salaries for civil engineers as well. They will they will make the most use of you for 2 years, 3 years. They will pay you only 10,000, 12,000, and after that, if you jump to any company, also you'll get 20,000 hardly. But at the same time, if you utilize that time and make such type of certification courses, like I have mentioned QA, QC, and if you have done AutoCAD and this CATIA, ePro, ETAP, these are all the courses that will helpful. And I remember one of my friend, Manoj sir, he's from a diploma candidate, Manoj. You remember him? He is also working in Lanco Hills as an SAP. I mean, he's a SAP procurement department. So okay. So I suggest guys, if you are working, if you want to work in civil also, that is also not bad. But you make some professional courses. Like you go to Google, you Google it, you will get 10 courses. You make the most use of the one which is suitable for you, which you are capable of. Okay. I know in civil engineering there will be a lot of calculations part, that part. But if you go in the software side, you're having AutoCAD. If you want to earn money handsomely, you choose like software courses in civil also. Like we are having AutoCAD, ETAPS we are having, and we are having SAP in civil also. That is for construction purpose. We can go that part. Hope I have answered your question.
Yeah, thank you, Samir.
Okay, Shamir.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Okay. So now, right now, so this is very good information to our students, your juniors. So anyway, next in the maybe in the next month or next week, I will call back you once again. Once again, not for like this. Just you can record your suggestions. I mean, in a video or something. You can post to me also. Not like this. Not alumni meeting. So your suggestions for our students regarding software, any other jobs. Okay, you can, not only like this alumni. Better to record something and your experience, job, how you face the problems in while getting the job opportunities, how to face the interviews. Like this, you can record and you can send to me. I will show out to our students also. Okay.
Sure.
That is
Sure.
one most important. I am requesting you. Anything more
Definitely.
you want to share? Anything more? Anything?
That's it, sir. That's it from my side, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. So, dear students, anything you want to ask from Shamir? Any students? Students? Okay. Siddhartha or Bhaskar?
Sir.
You can conclude your meeting.
Yeah, okay, sir. So thank you, Samir, for accepting to be the speaker for today's session. And thank you, one and all, for participating in this session. Okay, thank you.
Right, Samir.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye. We'll meet
Bye.
you soon.
Okay.
Thank you, Samir.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.